Now let's talk about the differences between the two versions of Python, Python 2 and Python 3. Okay. So first coming to the Python 2, the release date of this Python 2 version is in the year 2000 and Python 3 was released in the year 2008. Okay. So second one, in Python 2 version, the print statement, suppose print hello. So here the usage of parenthesis is optional. Okay. But here in Python 3, the print should be written as a function, print of hello. So here the usage of parenthesis is mandatory. Definitely you have to use parenthesis for print statement. Here print is used as a function, it is an inbuilt function. So whatever may be you are writing here, that will be displayed on the output screen. The string which you have written here will be displayed on the output screen. So here print is a inbuilt function. Here print is written as a statement. The usage of this parenthesis is optional in Python 2. Okay, but in Python 3 it is mandatory to use parenthesis for print function. Okay. Next, coming to the third difference. So here if you take two integer values, suppose for example if you divide two integer values 5 by 2. Okay. So here if you divide two integer values, the output will be integer. Okay. Suppose if you divide 5 by 2, the output is, the exact output is 2.5. But here in Python, suppose if you print this value, the output will be, expected output is 2.5, but you will get an integer output 2, because in Python 2 it will round the answer, that means the output, to the nearest whole number. It will round the output to the nearest whole number. So always if you divide two integer values, two integral values in Python 2, the output will always be integer. Even though if you get the float value, actually this is the expected output, but you will get integer output only, because it will, the Python, in Python 2, the Python 2 interpreter will round off this output, will round off this output to the nearest whole number. So always you will get an integer output only. Okay. But coming to Python 3, if you print two integer values, if you divide two integer values, the output will, you will get the output as the one you expected. That means it will give the correct output. Okay. So that is the difference between these two. If you divide two integers, the output will be always the integer. Even though you get some decimal point, that is floating point, it will round the output to the nearest whole number. But here you will get the expected output. That means here if you divide two integer values, always the output will be some floating point number, some float value. Okay. That is another difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Next, here if you consider the syntax is somewhat difficult to understand compared to Python 3. In Python 2, the syntax is difficult to understand. Okay. But here syntax is easy to understand. Syntax is easy to understand in Python 3. Okay. Next, if you want to store a string value, so here we will use defaultly ASCII character code. ASCII code is used for default representation of a string. Okay. Here we will use Unicode. Unicode representation is used for default representation of a string. So, Unicode means here we can store greatest range of character sets. Greater range of, here we can store greater range of character sets compared to ASCII. Okay. So, here we will use ASCII code for default storage of strings or for default representation of strings, but here we will use Unicode representation. So, by Unicode what is the advantage? We can store greater range of character sets, or we can represent a greater range of character sets compared to ASCII code. So, the next one is XRange. So, here in Python 2 version, XRange is the function which is used for iteration process. So, what is meant by iteration means some set of statements if you want to execute repeatedly until some false condition gets met. So, that process is called as iteration. So, to perform that process in Python, XRange function is used in Python 2. Okay. Coming to Python 3, to perform iteration process, range is the function which is used to perform iteration process. Okay. To perform iteration process in Python 3, range function is used. Okay. So, these 6 are the major differences between Python 2 and Python 3 versions. Okay. As I told already, this Python 3, it is not an extended language from Python 2. This Python 3 is a independent programming language. As it is an independent programming language, what is the main advantage is whatever may be the new features, if you want to add according to the market requirement, we can add those features to this language happily. It is a independent language. We can consider it as a new programming language. As it is not an extended from Python 2, this Python 3 is a new programming language. We will call it as an independent programming language because it does not depend on any other versions of Python. It is a new language. We can consider it as a new language. So, because of this independent nature, the main advantage is whatever may be the new features, if you want to add according to the present market requirements, we can add those features to this language happily. Okay. So, these are the main differences between Python 2 and Python 3. These are the main differences between these two versions, Python 2 and Python 3.